आज आप लोग को शायद लोगों को स्वागत करने सौभाग्य है। चलिए हम लोग सीधा ही हाँ आगे हाँ फोटो भी ले लोगे एक बार सब ये जिले का महिला ठीक है।
Excuse me, sir. Sir, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
आइए
महर्षयः अहमादिवै देवानां महर्षीणां सर्वशः उनके साथ मंत्रिमंडल में असम में मंत्री एक बार आपसे मिल के
भारत माता की
जय।
एक विचाराधीन राष्ट्रपति के रूप में संदर्भित किया।
Thank you, sir. First platoon is led by Commander
Minister of Urban Development, Government of Assam, Madam Dyuti Rani Dole, ex-director NEPA and NPA, Mr. Ramit Singh, DGP, Assam.
Minister Health, Government of Assam, Sri Harmeet Singh, Director General, Assam Police, the proud parents and the family members who are present here to witness this momentous occasion. I extend my sincere gratitude to Sri Danesh Rana, the Director of Northeast Police Academy, the indoor and outdoor faculty members, and the entire NEPA fraternity.
As these officers take their first steps into the police service, they carry the Academy's motto of public service, security, and patriotism in their hearts. After a year of rigorous training, they are fully prepared to serve the nation. May best wishes for their best future endeavors.
आज से इन युवा पुलिस अधिकारियों के जीवन का अर्थ एवं उद्देश्य बदल जाएगा। जोश व जज्बे से भरे ये अधिकारी अपनी मंजिल की ओर कदम बढ़ा रहे हैं। एक बार फिर जोरदार तालियों के साथ इन सभी अधिकारियों का उत्साहवर्धन करें।
Today we are witness the passing out parade of 62 DSP probationers from Assam Police and 8 DSP probationers from Mizoram Police. Last 1 year they have undergone a very professional training program. I believe their induction in the police force in both Assam and Mizoram will strengthen the force further, and I hope that they will serve with the commitment and with the honesty for the state and for the nation.
When will be the border talks? Because everyone in Meghalaya is waiting for that.
You see, from Assam side, we are eager to resolve the pending disputes. 6 pending disputes are there. 3 out of that 3 are actually we can resolve at any point of time. I think Meghalaya is waiting to see that the other 3 is also resolved together. So we are working on, and we will keep on working, and I am sure that the balance 6 will also be resolved mutually. You see, this involves people's sentiment of both the states. So time frame is not good, but at the same time we should hope and pray that it will be resolved sooner than later. Survey of India is doing the demarcation and they are proceeding well, but whatever we have signed in presence of Home Minister is binding to both the governments. States coming together under the leadership of a central government police force is good for us. But if we both states collaborated on our own without involvement of central government, that may not be good. So idea is that both Meghalaya and Assam and Nagaland can work together under the supervision of government of India. All the state governments is doing whatever is best, and this is a big menace. There are various modus operandi for the drug traffickers. I think if we keep on collectively attacking the drugs cartel, we are going to win the war. Every state is working, and I think we have lot of things to do more. We have to do more, and we will do more.
So what is the main reason that kingpins are always moving
You see,
freely and police would map only
Kingpins are not here. Kingpins are across the border. They may not be in India also. So they only push drugs through various agents, and sometimes they comes with big quantity. Sometimes they come with a very small quantity. You cannot even detect. But 10 people travel together in a railway train to Delhi, and everybody has half a gram heroin in their pockets. It is very difficult. So they have all the modus operandi. They can even take it by walking also. If a person from Guwahati start walking to Shillong with a drugs in his pocket, it is very difficult to find out. So they deploy various methodology. Police has to work better than them, and this is the way how we operate. Act is not hurdle, but as you know that even states like America today discussing how to stop drugs cartel, drugs menace. Yesterday, if you hear the Senate hearing, it was a central theme. So world is fighting. It is not that Assam and Meghalaya is fighting. World is fighting against the drugs traffickers, and it's a big business, and there will be many hidden actors in it. So it is a big thing, and it is not just like that you went to a place, you raided, and you finish this off. This is a long battle, and you have to carry on this battle. Still, I believe that Assam and Meghalaya, still drugs traffickers use it as a career. But they have other methodology also. They drop drugs through drone also. So even if you are not proximate to the Golden Triangle, they can still fly drones to any location. So it is a big game, and it is not that just by discussing between you and me it is going to be solved. Then if it would have been that easy, then it would have been resolved long back. But I believe this is a long battle, but you have to have your patience. You have to continue attack one after another. You have to keep on arresting them. If you have to keep on seizing drugs so that the economy is broken. So it is a continuous and sustained effort you have to do.